Today I would like to share with you a fishing boat that sails well overseas. Lined design with a deep V-shaped bottom. There are fishing rod holders on both sides of the boat. There is storage space under the fish cutting board at the stern and a rod holder. There are 6 fishing rod holders on the roof of the cab. The stern of the boat is equipped with folding seats for resting during sea fishing. To the right of the fish cutting board is the live fish box. The capacity of the live fish box is 70 liters. Deck washers are installed under the rod holders on both sides of the hull, and storage racks are installed. The driving station is all soft-packed, and the required driving navigation equipment can be installed according to your needs. There is a small cabin under the driving console, which can provide rest for 2 to 3 people. A marine toilet can also be installed here. The seats on the helm are made of yacht-grade leather. The seat can move forward and backward, and swivel left and right. Bluetooth players are installed on both sides of the cab, which can play music and enhance the fishing experience. There are small walkways on both sides of the hull for easy walking to the front deck.